Hello, I'm doing a nice summer yellow set. I've already applied all my tips and done my prep. I went in with a thin layer of clear acrylic on every nail, and I'm starting off with this gorgeous yellow acrylic. It's nice golden yellow. This is from NSI. It's called, I don't remember what this is called, but I'll put it down in the description. And I'm applying that at the base of the thumbnail, and then I'm just gonna fade it out and leave the tip open. And I'm using this yellow glitter and applying that to the tip of the nail, and then I'm just gonna drag that towards the base, do kind of a ombre effect with the glitter, and then I'm just gonna cap that glitter in clear acrylic. Moving over to the index finger, and I'm using this nude cover pink. It's called Obsession, and I am applying that just to the nail bed, and then I'm just gonna fade that out towards the tip of the nail. And then after I do that, I have this yellow mermaid scale glitter. I think it's either called mermaid scale or fish scale glitter. I think I got this glitter from Etsy. But anyway, so it's golden yellow, and it reflects, I think, a little bit of green, maybe a little bit of orange, and I'm applying that to the tip of the nail, and then I'm gonna fade that glitter up towards the base of the nail, and then cap it all in clear acrylic. On the middle finger, I'm doing a full nail of that yellow acrylic, and then I'm going to take that fish scale glitter and apply that to the top of the nail at the cuticle area, and then just spread it out and fade it out towards the tip of the nail, and then cap the whole nail in clear. The ring finger is just going to be a full nail of that yellow acrylic. And on the pinky, I'm going back to that yellow glitter that I applied to the thumbnail. And I'm just going to do a full nail of that glitter and then cap the whole thing in clear acrylic. After doing my filing and shaping, I'm going in with my top coat and applying some crystals to the ring fingernail. And this is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.